Hello, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, I'm Samio, and in today's video we are going to be getting Zoom call ready. And today's video is sponsored by Jewellery. I'll be showing you how I put the finishing touches to my look with some of their fabulous pieces later in the video. But first, let's make coffee. So before starting my hair, I always take off my rings, but I actually sleep in the Jewellery croissant dome ring as it's a 14 carat gold ring, so I can wear it all the time. But whilst I'm doing my hair, I just like to leave my rings on the side just so that they don't get full of product. I like to use the As I Am smoothing gel to slick back my hair, which is kind of like my go-to hairdo of the moment. It looks good, and most of all it's minimal effort, especially when I'm at home and I'm not really doing much other than jumping on Zoom calls throughout the day. I like to apply the product when my hair's either wet or damp, and then I use a bristle brush and comb my hair into shape. It's good to find one with really good bristles so it can slick back all your hair, especially if you've got curly hair. I'm using a satin scrunchie to tie my bubble, and then I just simply plait the rest of my hair. Just smoothing down those edges, and then I grab a hair scarf. I like to put it so it's satin face down so that the softer part is touching my hair, and then I'm tying this tight around my head. This will just kind of set the hair in place whilst it's drying and just minimise flyaways. And then I put this fab super over the top towel headband that I like to put on whilst I'm doing my skincare and makeup. Then I'm popping my rings back on, and don't forget the coffee. I'm starting with spritzing my face with the Lumine Nordic Hydra Facial Mist. I like to take this right down to the neck because I will be taking my skincare right down to my neck and chest as well. And now my face is nice and damp, I'm going to apply a few pumps of the Biossance 100% Squalane oil. I like to just gently pat this onto the face, neck and chest. Now we've come to my favourite part in my skincare routine, and that is my gua sha. I absolutely love this part of my routine. I do it every single morning. I've been doing it now since around the start of the year, and it's a great way to massage your skin and improve circulation. When I finish my gua sha, my face always feels like it's ready to start the day, like it's had its facial exercise. Next, I'm going in with the Typology Niacinamide Toner. I really like this toner, and I've got these reusable cotton pads which are really handy. They're great for applying toner or removing makeup, and you can just pop them in the wash after you've done. Another quick spritz of the Lumine Face Mist. Onto serum, and I'm currently using the Skin Generics Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I've still got quite a lot of pigmentation left from when I had my skin infection at the start of the year, but it has come such a long way, and I love vitamin C for the fact that it's really great at fading hyperpigmentation. I have just been loving vitamin C this year for this very reason, and I'm really enjoying the Skin Generics one at the moment as well. And I'm following the serum with the Skin Generics Vitamin E Cream. Usually I would always apply an SPF, especially after using vitamin C, but seeing as this happens to be the dullest day ever and I will not be leaving the house today, I skipped it on this occasion. Next, I'm applying a tiny bit of the Milk Makeup Hydra Grip Primer. I only tend to apply this to certain areas where I get particularly shiny, but I do tend to favour a dewy look, so I don't put this all over my face. I just apply this in the places where I really want my makeup to stay, or where I usually get creasing, like under my eyes and on my laugh lines. Now I'm beginning my base concoction. Oh yes, it's a concoction. Directly onto my skin, I like to apply the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream in shade Desert 6.5. Then I'll add a few drops of Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and on top of that a few drops of the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Face Oil. You may be thinking, Samio, what is going on here? But trust me, get a damp beauty blender, dab that all in, and it is a beautiful, glowy, hydrated, dewy base. For my concealer, I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer in shade Medium Golden. And again, I'll just pat that in with the Beauty Blender. I tend to use this under my eyes and on any blemishes. I'm going in with my all-time favourite setting powder, which is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'll just dust that on really lightly around my eyes, on my T-zone, my smile lines, any of the places that I just want to set and decrease shine. I'm applying Marc Jacobs Undercover to my eyelids. This is actually an eyelid primer, but I'm not going to apply eyeshadow today, so this just prevents eyelid shine and creasing. Quickly powder my eyelids. And I'm applying a little bit of Lano Lips to my lips just to keep them moisturised. Moving on to brows, possibly the longest part of my makeup routine, I am going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in shade Ebony. This is a long time favourite brow product of mine, and I have been through a fair few, but this is a very good one. I'm just combing them into place and then filling them in. Now I'm using the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel to set these into place. This is a newer addition in my makeup collection and I love this product. It's so good. It's just a clear gel, but it works really well at setting those brows into place. Quick eyelash curl with the best eyelash curlers I've ever had. These are the Surratt eyelash curlers. And then I'm going in with Bare Minerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Mascara. Now it is time for highlighter, and I am using Iconic Illuminator in shade Shine. I'm just applying this using the same beauty blender as before. I like to focus this on my cheekbones, down the centre of my nose, and above and below the brow bone. Next, I'm going in with the Bare Minerals bronzer. I actually don't know the shade name of this one because it has been so well loved that the label has rubbed off and the lid has broken off. It has just been used and abused, but it is a very good one, I have to say. And it's time for my all-time favourite lip liner, which is the Marc Jacobs liner in shade Nudist. I like to apply this first to the edges of my lips, and now I'm just rubbing it in with my finger. Now on top of that, I'm applying this rose tinted Lano Lips lip balm, which I love, and my lips love it too. So nice and looks fabulous. And that's my face done, so time for a quick spritz with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now it's time to unveil the oh yeah, smooth and shiny baby. And as you can see, we are looking flyaway free, for now at least. Now I'm just putting my little plait into a bun, securing it in place with some curvy grips. And today's hairband of choice is this black velvet number. And now it's time to put on my jewellery pieces. I love how delicate these sapphire hoops look. I recently started wearing earrings in my second piercing again, and I love how these look worn here. I think they look so elegant, teamed with the essential pearl earrings. It kind of is like a modern take on a very classic look. And if you know me, you'll know I love a cuff, so on my right ear I'm adding the sleek cuff. And now it's time to get dressed. Like I said, the weather is miserable today and I'm not going anywhere, so it's comfies for the win. On the bottom half, I'm wearing these organic cotton joggers from Colourful Standard. They are super comfy and perfect for a day sat working from home where I'm on Zoom and no one can see what I'm wearing on the bottom. And then on the top, I'm wearing this organic cotton wrap cardigan and jacket thing from Bite Studios. It's super comfortable. It's sort of like a sweater material, but it's in a really elegant cut, so it looks smart whilst still being really comfortable for a day when I'm sat working from home. This honey quartz heirloom ring has to be my favourite jewellery piece. It is stunning. It's 14 karat yellow gold, and whilst I could technically sleep and shower in this one, I don't, just because I want to keep it looking as shiny and fabulous as possible. But it is so beautiful, and I love that if I want to, I can wear it all the time and don't have to worry about this piece tarnishing either. Now it's time for some necklace stacking, and I love layering up necklaces. I feel like it's the easiest way to elevate an otherwise simple outfit. This first necklace is a beautiful Gemini necklace because I'm a Gemini, baby. If you didn't already know, you probably probably can tell. And now I'm layering on a chunkier piece with this double curb chain necklace. I love these two pieces together. I love how we've got the chunkier necklace with the delicate Gemini pendant necklace. I think the two look perfect together, but we're not done there. And now I'm going to add the tarot sun necklace. And I chose this one because the sun in tarot cards reflects happiness and contentment, vitality and self-confidence and success. And I mean, who wouldn't want to wear a necklace to channel in all those good vibes? And I think these three necklaces look so good stacked together. They seem to layer perfectly as they're all different lengths. And that's me ready for business. So I'm feeling sophisticated and put together on the top half, but still comfortable. Super comfortable on the bottom half, but ain't no one seen down there, so it's fine. So now all I have to do is head downstairs in time for my first Zoom meeting. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed getting the Zoom call ready with me. If you did, please do give this video a like and let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite piece of jewellery from today's look. I'd love to know. If you want to see more from me, you can find me on Instagram at Samio and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!